Commission on Audit. Powers and functions of the Commission on Audit: to examine, audit, and settle accounts pertaining to government funds or property, its revenue, receipts, expenditures, and uses. Post-audit basis: 1. Constitutional bodies, commissions, and offices. 2. Autonomous state colleges and universities. 3. Government-owned or controlled corporations with no original charters and their subsidiaries. 4. Non-governmental entities receiving subsidy or equity, directly or indirectly, from or through the government, which are required by law or the granting institution to submit such an audit as a condition of subsidy or equity. Complementing the constitutional power of the COA to audit accounts of non-governmental entities receiving subsidy or equity, directly or indirectly, from or through the government, is Section 11, Subsection 1, Book 5 of the Administrative Code, which authorizes the COA to audit accounts of non-governmental entities requiring to pay or have the government share, but only with respect to funds coming from or through the government. COA does not have the exclusive power to examine and audit government agencies. The framers of the Constitution were fully aware of the need to allow independent private audit of certain government agencies in addition to COA audit, from the case TBP versus COA 2002. The COA has the exclusive authority to 1. Define the scope of its audit and examination. 2. Establish techniques and methods required. 3. Promulgate accounting and auditing rules and regulations. This includes giving COA Assistant Commissioner and General Counsel the authority to deputize a special audit team, from the case the Special Audit Team Commission on Audit versus Court of Appeals 2013. Note: no law shall be passed exempting any entity of the government or its subsidiaries in any guise whatever, or any investment of public funds, from the jurisdiction of the Commission on Audit. Section 3, Article 9D of the Constitution. Congress cannot exempt foreign grants from the jurisdiction of the Commission on Audit. Its jurisdiction extends to all government-owned or controlled corporations, including those funded by the nations through the government, from the case Petitioner Corporations versus Executive Secretary 2012. Composition of Commission on Audit. There shall be 1 chairman and 2 commissioners. Qualifications: 1. Natural-born Filipino citizens. 2. At least 35 years of age. 3. CPAs with not less than 10 years of auditing experience, or members of the Philippine Bar with at least 10 years of practice of law. Note: at no time shall all members belong to the same profession.